Uh, Hello everyone. So today we present with you our weekly technical insight on WaterGEM connected agent. And today I'm going to cover the topic like developing the system flashing routine within the network. So just a brief introduction about a Capricorn technology. So for more than 3 decades, Capricorn has played a significant pivotal role in the country's computer-aided design adoption. And today we are concentrating on information modeling to address the start to finish design and construction difficulties faced by the building and infrastructure industries. So like we deliver the finest solution, method and procedure to enhance your productivity and reduce your project risk. So like our team of more than 250 plus designer based in all major cities have constantly provided outstanding value, adoption support and services to like optimize the true potential of more than 20,000 plus customers wholeheartedly, ranging from national importance project to complex building. So let me introduce myself. Hey, my name is Pranjal Verma, solution specialist for water and wastewater, working at New Delhi. We'll present you with our weekly technical insight. Okay. So the objective of this insight is to understand the concept of developing the flushing routine within the network. And today I am going to cover the conventional flushing. So we have two different type of flushing. One is conventional and one is unidirectional. So today I'm going to cover is conventional flushing system. So if I tell like what is the importance of flushing in water distribution system. So by this it helps you to maintain the integrity of pipeline by removing debris, sediment and other impurities. Secondly, it increases the efficiency and reliability of pipeline system by improving the flow of fluids and gases. And the third, it helps you to prevent the corrosion and buildup of mineral deposits inside the pipeline. And lastly, it also enhances the safety of pipeline system by reducing the risk of ruptures and leaks. So we will just switch to the software and we will see like how it could be happen. Okay, so let's suppose this is my water distribution network and we have to do the conventional flushing within this network. So generally conventional flushing refers to the opening a single hydrant without operating any valves. So conventional flushing allow you to quickly assess if pipe in the system meet a target velocity or shear stretch. So the first thing that we will do is, so we have different hydrant within this network. If I go to the flex table and check for the hydrant, so we can see that we have total 106 hydrant within this network. So if I want to select all of the hydrant at once, how we can do it under the home tab, we have the drawing tab. Under this drawing tab, we have the by element. We can select all of the hydrant. So after clicking the hydrant, it will select all of the hydrant. And simply, just you have to right click on your window and you have to create a selection set. Once you create a selection set of all the hydrant within this dialog box, we can see that my all of the hydrant has been selected. Now the next part is to do is under the analysis tab, we have the flushing route concept. So once I click on the flushing option, we have to create a new study and area. So I have already created it. So we can do it by clicking on this option. So here we can create a new study or you want to create a new area. After creating a new area, if I select the base flushing option, here we have to give some of the relevant input, like for what scenario you want to do the flushing routine concept. So I have different scenario within my network. So if I'm going for the steady state analysis only, I'm just selecting that scenario within this representative scenario dialog box. Then we have to give the target velocity value, how much target velocity value would be there, and how much would be your target shear stress. Then we have to give safety factor as well. Then how much flowing emitter coefficient would be there. If you go to the ellipse icon here, you will also find out like what are the standard that has been provided within this, how much value you can give according to outlet sizes. If you are having 2.5 or 2.5 outlet or 4.5, you can give the value accordingly. The next thing is how we are going to just add to the baseline demand option here. And if you want, you can check both of the thing, like include the nodes with the pressure less than, like it's totally depend on your choice, how much pressure you want to select. You can give the relevant input from here. So next, what we have to do is we have to select all of the pipe within the network. So here we can see that within the pipe set option, I have selected all of the 364 item. So just going to the ellipse icon here, we will select here, we will there select from drawing option. From select from drawing option under the query builder, we can find that network, all of the pipe. Once you select all of the pipe, and just clicking on the green option, it will select all of the pipe. And once it will selected all of the pipe represented by like this. Okay. So the next thing that we have to create is, after doing this, selecting all of the pipe, now we have to create a conventional flushing event. So here I have created the base flushing study. Once you go for the right click for the base flushing, here we can create a new conventional flushing event batch. After clicking this, once you open under the network review option, so we have just selected all of the hydrant. Just we have to simply select all of the hydrant. After selecting all of the hydrant, what it will do, the software will select all of the hydrant related to the selection set that we have just created. Once all of the hydrant appear selected in the network, just use the check mark icon to return to the flushing manager. So next, like if you want to specify some local flow, let's suppose I am going to for hydrant 91 here, and here we want to specify some local flows. So here also we can just check box that area and give a local flow. So as I told you later, elliptic the icon, like if you're having the outlet size more than 4.5, so the range is between like 350 to 600 or 500 something, and according to that you can give the value. So it will also be happen. After doing this, just you have to select the base flushing and compute your result. Once you compute your result, your a new scenario will be automatically created with the output result, and it is automatically created as a child scenario of the representative scenario in the set of global flushing option. So if I go to the analysis option here and scenario, so here we can see flushing convocation is conventional is has been created. Now, if you want to see the result, so within the flushing option, there is a flushing area report. So by clicking on this, you can actually see the flushing area report, like what will be the velocity maximum flushing and shear stress maximum. So it will automatically indicate your result. And if you want to see flushing result browser as well, so it will also by here you can see the result of the same. So this is how we can create a conventional flushing within our water distribution network. So I hope you guys had an insightful session. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the updates. We would be delighted to hear from you. So do reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week with the next insight. Thank you, everyone.